Hi guys, welcome back to Official Bella Live. You know me, I don't like to waste time. So you've seen the title of the video, you already know why you're here. Are you looking for some extra cash without leaving your house? Well, you're in luck because today I am about to show you 10 legit ways you can make money from home in the UK without falling for some dodgy pyramid scheme. And no, you don't need to DM me for details either because I am giving you the tea in this video. Now, let's be real, guys. None of this will make you a millionaire overnight, but they can give you a solid extra stream of income, whether it's for your weekend treats, savings, or just to survive this economy. So, let's get into it. So, first up, online surveys. I mean, if you have opinions, and I know you do, why not get paid for them? Sites like Prolific, YouGov, Swagbox, Toluna, and IntelliZoom will pay you for answering questions. Some surveys pay a few pence, but others they can get you £5, £10, even £20 per survey if you are lucky. And I think Prolific and IntelliZoom are a personal fave because they don't waste your time with pointless questions like, do you breathe oxygen before disqualifying you? I still get IntelliZoom surveys in my email almost every other day. I know some of you guys like to see receipts. So yeah, this is a sample of a survey that I just got from IntelliZoom, and it's $8 to give my feedback. For this study, all you need basically is a strong connection, a quiet environment, a well-lit place, headphones, and so on. Let's get back to the video, guys. And I'm not going to lie, I've been a bit slack because I have so much going on right now. But yeah, that's the tea. Don't sleep on online surveys. They can give you extra cash. So guys, I need you to put on your detective hat because next we are talking about getting paid to test websites and apps. So think of yourself as the Sherlock Holmes of the internet, except instead of solving crimes, you are pointing out ugly website designs. So we have platforms like user testing, Try My UI, and Testing Time that will pay you to test websites and give feedback. So basically, what you do is you click around, talk about your experience, and boom, money in the bank. Most tests take 10 to 20 minutes and pay around £10. Not bad for just complaining, right? Anyway, pro tip, guys, speak clearly and give detailed feedback. If you just say, yeah, this website looks fine, don't be surprised if they don't invite you back, okay? Oh, yeah. If you're ever remotely creative, you can make money selling printables, planners, or templates online. And the best part, you don't even have to print anything. Platforms like Etsy and Gumroad let you sell digital products over and over and over again without any extra effort. The key is to make something useful. Think budget planners, study guides, and even digital stickers. Some people make hundreds a month doing this, and once you've uploaded your product, you are making passive income while binge watching your favorite shows. That's the dream, right? Oh, you might be wondering, what is she doing? Well, let me tell you. You know those long receipts they give you at the supermarket? Don't throw them away. You can scan them and turn them into money. We have platforms like Top Cashback, Quidco, ShopMeum, and SnapMyIt that literally pay you to upload these receipts and shop through their platforms. That's right, you are getting rewarded for spending money. It's like getting paid to be a professional shopper, minus the judgment from your bank account, of course. Anyway, don't forget to check cashback deals before making big purchases. You could be leaving free money on the table. And some of you don't know, but some banks also offer cashback deals like Halifax that I use, and some other banks. I don't know. Check out your bank app if you want to know more about the cashback deals they have for you. So, number 5, this is for my creatives. Are you good at something? Anything? Like writing, designing, video editing, maybe even just making PowerPoint slides? Well, congrats, because you can make money freelancing. So we have platforms like Fiverr and Upwork that connect you with clients looking for your skills. You set your price, do the work, and get paid. No annoying boss, no office drama, just money in your pocket. The best part is you can literally start with no experience. Just create a strong profile, showcase your skills, and start small. Your first few gigs may not pay much, but once you build reveals, the real money starts rolling in. Okay? Let's go on to number 6. Hold on, guys. Let me put on my fake CEO glasses for this next one. So, there are some CEOs like me. Anyway, I'm kidding. Some people are out here running businesses but don't have time to reply to emails, schedule meetings, or undo admin work. That's where you come in. So, as a virtual assistant on platforms like People Per Hour and Belay, you can help businesses stay organized all from the comfort of your bed. Pay varies, but experienced virtual assistants can make between £50 to £30 per hour, and that's really good money, right? Am I right? Am I right? Oh, hi. I did not see you there. Well, guys, you see what I'm doing? I'm busy making money. If you can type fast, you can make money with transcription jobs. Websites like Rev, GoTranscript, and Scribby will pay you to turn audio into text. Let me give you a warning though. Sometimes you will get recordings that sound like they were recorded on a potato. But hey, money is money. So let's go on to number 8. Guys, do you have an empty garage, spare room, or even just a cupboard? Rent it out on Stashbee or StoreMate and make passive income. People will literally pay you to store their stuff. Just make sure they are not hiding something criminal in there or something haunted, because nobody wants to be seeing a ghost at night. Guys, I can't believe we come to number 9. God, I love making this type of videos so much, if you can't tell, because I love to give hacks and tips on how to navigate the UK. And one of the major things about navigating is financials, right? Anyway, guys, so let's talk. Number 9. This one is not glamorous, but data entry work can make you decent side cash. Platforms like Clickworker, Lionbridge, and Appen offer easy copy pasting tasks. Just make sure you don't fall asleep on the job. Some people make up to £500 a month, I've heard, just typing away. So yeah, data entry jobs, don't sleep on it. Let's go on to number 10. So the last but not the least, are you lazy but you still want to earn? And all of these ones that I've mentioned, they are not for you because they are stressful, even though they're easy. Well, apps like Inbox Pound, Swagbox Live, and Price Rebel pay you to watch ads and short clips. Some users make £50 to £100 per month just watching. So next time you're scrolling mindlessly, why not get paid for it? So there you have it, guys. 10 legit ways to make money from home in the UK. No scams, no shady business, just real ways to stack your coins. If you found this video useful, hit the like button. Subscribe and let me know in the comments which one you're trying first. And don't worry, guys, I'm also going to put a link to this website and platforms in the description box below. So yeah, some of you that did not watch this video to the very end, you will not know this one that I've just told you. So yeah, if you are still here, thank you. Check the description box for the links. Anyway, now if you will excuse me, I have some surveys to go fill. Bye.